So the question is the E naught value M2 plus to M for copper is positive 0.34 volt. Explain why it is happening in this way. So probably you need to know that for this process copper 2 to copper, the changes involved are copper. First of all, copper is in solid state, is first sublimed to copper in gaseous state. Then copper gaseous is converted into copper 2 plus in gaseous state. So the first step is energy absorbing process. This is absorbing energy equal to sublimation energy. The second process is absorbing energy equal to ionization enthalpy 1 plus 2. And subsequently, copper 2 plus is converted into copper 2 plus into aqueous state. You need to write this first. This is step 1 when we are answering this question. Now, in this process, in the third step, this is step 1, this is step number 2, and this is step number 3. Certain amount of energy is released, which is known as hydration enthalpy. So if we assume this value to be say plus 5 joules and this value to be plus 50 joules, these are hypothetical value, and this value is minus 45 joule. So we can say that hydration enthalpy is lesser than the sum of sublimation enthalpy plus ionization enthalpy 1 plus 2. So this is point number 2. So we can say hydration enthalpy is not compensating for sublimation enthalpy plus ionization enthalpies 1 and 2 for this process. As a matter of fact, because of this reason, the process is not driven in the forward direction. So this is not natural process. So what becomes natural is the backward process becomes natural. So it is copper 2 plus aqueous giving rise to copper in solid state is becoming a natural spontaneous process. When this becomes a spontaneous process, what happens? Delta G becomes negative. For a spontaneous process, delta G is negative, and we know that delta of G is equal to minus NFE. So if delta G is negative, then E automatically becomes positive. So why EMF is positive or half EMF is positive for this process is because of this reason. I hope you understand.